Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm gonna give you my honest review of Green Chef. Okay, so I recently moved from Omaha to Arizona for college, and having moved into a small apartment with only one other roommate, it's been both exciting and a big change all at the same time. So between studying, going to classes, and trying to have fun with friends, it's been hard to find time to make a good, healthy meal. And after a long day, I am completely worn out. In any case, you might have seen some of my other reviews on different meal kit delivery services that I've looked into, and because food is an important part of our lives, I thought it would be a good idea to find out if Green Chef is the healthiest meal kit service out there, like they claim to be. So I'm gonna unpack Green Chef's organic meal kits with you and see what's inside to help figure out if Green Chef is the right service for you. Now, Green Chef is certified organic, and they say it's the most eco-friendly meal kit delivery service. And their food is so green and healthy that it kind of makes me wonder how tasty can it actually be? Like, that's what I was wondering at first. So in this review, I'll talk about what an organic meal kit actually means, how much they charge, and what it's like to make and eat Green Chef meals. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay. Green Chef. The name shows that they care about the food they give their customers and the environment. All their meal kits have certified organic food in them, and the ingredients come from reliable vendors that can be trusted. They're also really proud to show off the organic seal from the US Department of Agriculture. Plus, at least 70% of their ingredients are certified organic and have no GMOs, chemicals, hormones, antibiotics, steroids, any kind of harmful substances in them. Green Chef wants to be the most eco-friendly meal kit service, so they make sure that none of their kits make any carbon. Now, Green Chef was the first meal delivery service that was both organic and good for the environment. Not only that, but they also offer a wide range of low-carb, high-protein, and vegetarian meal kits. But their gluten-free and vegan plans are what make them stand out, and now they offer premium organic meat as an extra that you can choose to buy. So basically, the way it works is that you can choose from one of the 8 diet plans that fit best with your lifestyle, which helps Green Chef figure out what you're looking for. But you can still see their full weekly menu of 46 meals. And if you're looking for vegan or gluten-friendly options, there's at least 10 meals available each week. Now, the Mediterranean plan includes seasonal foods and meals that are high in protein, which is common in Southern European cooking. The Functional Nutrition plan has lots of fiber and comes with nutrient-rich foods that make you feel good and give you energy. And if you want to watch your carbs and focus on healthy fats, veggies, and proteins, the keto plan could be a great option for you. It also works well with paleo diets. The plant-based plan has a lot of tasty and unique recipes made with organic ingredients. The high protein plan includes some vegetarian meal kits weighing 30 grams or more, but it also includes premium recipes using sustainable farmed salmon and grass-fed beef, as well as prime cuts of organic beef or wild-caught salmon. All these menus are divided into groups like Quick and Easy for meals that take less than 25 minutes to prepare, or Calorie Smart for meals that contain less than 650 calories. The gluten-free plan is the best option for people who are allergic or sensitive to gluten, and Green Chef has been verified as a gluten-free safe place by the Gluten Intolerance Group. In other words, their food doesn't have any grains with gluten in them like wheat, barley, rye, and others. This makes them a reliable choice for healthy gluten-free eaters. Now, you can customize your weekly Green Chef box to your liking. You can pick out the size of the box, then every week you decide whether you want 3 or 4 recipes, each with 2, 4, or 6 servings. And you can also add extra dishes, like premium options, organic proteins, or even breakfast, lunch, and snack options. And the price of each meal will change depending on what you choose. And if you liked Green Chef and you want to try it out, there's an affiliate link in the description and down in the comments. It doesn't cost you anything extra, and we might earn a small commission, which helps support the channel, and there are usually some special offers there too that you won't see on the main site. Now, I picked all the menu options except for the plant-based and gluten-free ones because I wanted a variety. I also choose to go for the weekly box with 4 meals, each serving 2, but I kept in mind that I could switch things up later on. Plus, it was a nice surprise to get free shipping, a 50% discount on my first box, and 20% off for the next 8 boxes. But I have to say that I get so excited every time these boxes show up at my door, full of all the ingredients neatly organized by color to match the recipe cards. Also, the meat and fish are tucked under ice packs, filled with safe, non-toxic gel, making sure everything stays fresh. And the insulation inside the box is made from materials that come from plants, which is pretty cool. And plus, obviously, everything can be recycled. Now, the fruits and vegetables come in their own plastic bags in each meal kit, and the other ingredients are already measured out, prepped, and ready to be mixed in. The only things you need to add yourself are oil, salt, and pepper. This is the same for other meal kit services, but Green Chef often adds their own sauces, dressings, and seasoning blends that they've already made. I personally liked most of them, but the sriracha sauce was just a bit too spicy for my taste, but that's just me. Okay, so the recipes need like 3 pots and pans for just one meal. And even though they're meant to be quick, taking less than 30 minutes, they actually took me around 45 minutes or so, but making tasty food needs some work. And I'm not the fastest cooker or chopper out there anyway, so I don't mind if it takes a little longer. All right, so for this review, I tried the vegan dishes, and honestly, I have to say that they were pretty good. I made the butternut squash risotto. It was really tasty. The herb flavored risotto was cooked with their own umami stock, and the squash is roasted with maple syrup and paprika and topped with toasted pecans instead of cheese. It made me feel full without making me feel sleepy, which was nice. And to be honest, it was surprisingly good. Okay, so surprisingly, some of Green Chef's meals aren't your typical healthy stuff. You know, I actually really like their truffle linguine with chicken. It came with mushrooms, peas, and a cream sauce with great truffle butter. And this was actually my first time ever trying truffles, and now that I've tried it, I totally get why everyone obsesses over this. The pasta had this perfectly seared chicken breast on top that was cooked so perfectly. It was so good. In this dish, the chicken was organic, and all of Green Chef's meat is sourced from farms that care about animals. I have no complaints regarding the quality of the beef, which is grass-fed, and the salmon, which is sustainably farmed. Also, you can now choose to add organic beef, chicken, or wild salmon to your order, or get them in one of the fancier Chef's Select kits. The organic beef tenderloin costs a little bit more, which is about $7, but I still gave it a shot. It came with some really cool sauce that was made with caramelized shallots and fig jam. They also sent a mix of oregano and garlic to season the beef, and it turned out great. Extremely tasty and juicy, and it would be well worth the price for a special evening in. Plus, it came with cheese and mashed potatoes, which were great. It also came with scallions too, but I didn't add them myself. I just personally don't like them. And to top it off, there was roasted organic broccoli. So, like I mentioned before, all these meals have organic veggies and eggs unless they say otherwise. The organic stuff looks a bit different from what you'd see in stores. It's usually a little bit rough around the edges and not all perfect and shiny. And that's because they don't use preservatives or sprays on it. Also, it doesn't matter what they look like because you end up cooking them anyway, so they lose their shape. Plus, organic food usually just tastes better. Now, every meal has all the nutrition information you need, and they let you know if there are any allergens, but you can't pick out stuff you're allergic to ahead of time, so you gotta check the ingredients very carefully before picking out your meals. If you don't know what to pick or need help with a diet plan, you can have a 20-minute chat with the Green Chef nutritionist for free, and they can help you figure out how to meet your health goals.
In terms of pricing, it really depends on the number of servings you get. For 3 meals for 2 people, it starts at $12.50 per serving, and that rate actually stays the same even for the larger plans, with 16 to 24 servings across 4 different meals.
Now, if the price seems a little bit high, keep in mind, this is organic food, and that usually costs more to grow and produce, making it more expensive. Organic farming doesn't use man-made substances and chemicals, so it takes more work, and it usually produces less food than regular farming. And anyway, if staying on a budget is very important to you, you might want to look into other meal delivery services that charge less because they use fewer organic ingredients and don't care as much about the environment. But if it's important to you to eat well and protect the environment, Green Chef is probably one of the best meal kit services out there. Their main goals are quality and sustainability, so you're getting a lot for your money, both in terms of the food you eat and the good they do for the environment. Okay, I'll talk about what they have to offer to help you figure out what best fits your needs. So let's quickly compare Green Chef and Blue Apron side by side, because the meals come from Blue Apron are reasonably priced at around $10 per person, and some people like them more than others, which gives them an edge in terms of overall popularity. But in terms of which is better for people's health and the environment, well, it gets kind of interesting, because Blue Apron has some recipes for low-calorie meals and vegetarian options, but their packaging not very eco-friendly, and they focus more on tasty food rather than healthy food. Green Chef, on the other hand, prioritizes both health and environmental sustainability. Also, Green Chef's gluten-free menu, organic ingredients, vegetarian and vegan options, and strong commitment to sustainability just make it an excellent choice for both the environment and people's health. So wrapping up my honest review of Green Chef, If you're asking me if I would recommend it, I absolutely would. Their website has a ton of creative and tasty recipes, and they've got certifications from experts to back up what they say. This is because your health is important, and they saw that they really cared about health while trying out their service. And a huge plus is that they just care about the environment. Anyway, that wraps up my review of Green Chef. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to see more videos like this one. And hey, if you are thinking of trying it out, there's a link down in the description in the comments. We usually have some special offers there that you won't find on their main site. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments section below, and I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Have a great day.